Yo, before we hop into today's video, I want to thank every single body for coming through, supporting the grind, supporting the content we're putting out. We've been dropping a lot of early looks for y'all. The latest and greatest one happens to be the Air Jordan 4 Women's Seafoam that we'll be releasing in a couple of weeks right before the Air Jordan 4 Crab. So make sure you guys go tap in. I'm going to link this video down below in the description box along with every other video that we did early looks on. Air Jordan 12 NOIR, Air Jordan 13 Playoffs, and the Air Jordan 5 UNC. So I'm gonna tap all of them down below in the description box. Make sure you guys tap in. So what's going on YouTube, man? Thanks everybody for pulling up, man. Right now, before we get any further with today's video, make sure you guys spam them likes up. You know, the goal for every single video is 500 likes, and that's really gonna help the channel grow. That's really gonna get us to that 100K. So 500 likes every single video. I know we can do it, so help your boy out, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we got going on. Lately, I've been dropping a lot of these SNKR Grail content videos just to put you guys on, showing you what I've been adding to the collection, what I missed on back in the past, and what I'm now going back to get, because it's not a lot releasing in January, especially stuff that I'm keeping for the collection. Mainly stuff is for, you know, of course, sneaker reviews for you guys, because that's what we do on the channel. But as far as keeping the collection, adding grails to the collection, these videos are for you guys to check out what your boy's been picking up and adding to the collection, man. And I said almost every single video, of course I am. Go tap into the brand Shop Noir. I'm gonna link it down below. Go copy a thing or two. The hottest thing on the site right now is the bomber jackets, and I appreciate everybody's been tapping in, copping one of them crazy things, man. All right guys, so I went back, you know what I'm saying, I went to see every single sneaker that was in my, you know, I have like a grill list on GOAT, and I have a grills list on StockX. You know what I'm saying, I just see which prices is better, which one I'm willing to, you know, spend the bread on. It's either or. Like, I either cop from StockX, or I cop from GOAT, or I even cop from eBay. I've been copping from eBay lately. A couple unboxing you guys have been seeing, but this one specifically is from StockX, and I said, you know what, the price is a little bit better, and I don't see a lot of people talking about this shoe at all, so I had to pull the trigger, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I think this is like episode 5, if I'm not mistaken. It's either 5 or 6. Super excited to, you know, start something new on the channel. Usually it'll just be like an unboxing or something like that, but I actually want to give you guys a little backstory on why I copped the sneaker and stuff like that, how much I spent on it, just to give you guys some insight on what I've been adding. So let's go ahead and get into them, man. Let's get into them. Your boy's excited, bro. Your boy's excited. I have like 5 boxes, and I was like, which one is the shoe? So I, you know, hopefully this is the one, because I did cop another pair of sneakers. So let's go ahead and see the top of the box, and yes sir, it's this one. It's this one, man. It is this one. I am super excited to have it. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway real quick and all that good stuff. Air Force 1 07 Elevate, and I got these in the 8.5, and the official colorway is white, black, hyper jade, and these retail for $130, and I did not spend $130 at all. I'll let you guys know up front as soon as I open them up how much I spent on these bad boys. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's go ahead and check them. I got stars on the paper, and we're gonna check these things out, man. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, it's an extra layer. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Bam, man. We have the Air Force 1 What the LAs. Now, a lot of people are not talking about this shoe right here, bro. Like, if you ask anybody, they're gonna say, what are the What the LAs? They don't have to look them up. But this is a shoe I've been eyeing for literally 2-3 years now, since I first seen them drop. I said, yo, these are super crazy. The hits all around it. It just gives you that what the vibe. You know, we got the what the ones. I think we got what the 5s, which you can probably see behind me. And these right here were always on my radar. And you guys, I gotta tell you how much I spent, man. I gotta tell y'all boys how much I spent on these beautiful What the LA. I gotta hit y'all with some B-roll so I can see the speckles on them joints, all types of different materials. Oh my god, these crazy. I don't mind paying what I paid. I do not mind paying what I paid at all. So keep it real, you know what I'm saying? I said I want to do this every single video, let y'all know how much I paid and stuff like that. So these right here, after taxes and fees and all that good stuff, I paid $508. $508 for the What the LA Air Force Ones, and I just felt like it was a need, man. Like, it's one of them shoes that I've always wanted for like the past couple years, and I said, you know what, it's time to get them. It's time to add them to the collection. And shouts out to StockX for sending them over. You know what I'm saying? Got that StockX tag, and just look at these joints, bro. You got the Los Angeles on the back heel. You got that like neon green speckle around with the Nike Air on the back. These joints is tough, bro. Oh my God. And then something I just noticed is on the front, you have a gold and you have a silver Air Force One little pendant at the bottom of the, lacing system. I don't know if you guys see that. You got a gold one over here, and you have like a platinum one on the left shoe. These joints is crazy. Now, a lot of people probably asking like, yo, what are you gonna wear these with? I know it's gonna be a hard one to pull off, but this is one of them shoes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the box down. This is one of them shoes where you don't gotta do much. This one of the shoes you just literally throw on with some basic jeans, you know what I'm saying? Whatever color you want. You maybe even put some black jeans with these. You keep it simple up top. Like, just keep it real simple, keep it real basic, and then the shoe's gonna do the talking for you. Cause just look at these things, bro. You have like an iridescent swoosh going on the left shoe, and then on the right one you also had the same thing, but like in a greener colorway. And then they like just flip-flop the colors from the left and the right, but you guys can see overall is colors everywhere on these what the LA Air Force Ones right here. So I did a little bit of digging, did a little bit of research. These did release back in 2019. So I was 4 years ago. So since I first seen the shoe, and I think it was like damn near impossible to cop them. They don't release in like certain locations. And I've been following them for a while, and the resale was a little bit higher at one point. Like I remember they was going for like $600, but I got them for $508 altogether. Of course, you had to pay the taxes and fees and all that good stuff. That's why I came up to that over $500 price range. And this is probably the most expensive sneaker I've bought all year. Believe it or not, this is the most expensive sneaker I've paid for all year. That shows you how much I actually did want them. It's not like a crazy backstory like the Air Jordan 5 Green Beans or the Air Jordan 7 Raptors, anything like that. This is one of the ones, I've been eyeing for a while, decided to pull the trigger now, and we finally have these beautiful what the LA Air Force Ones. You guys let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. And I'm not even trying to flex. I just know it's not a lot of people that have these in the collection because they were a limited Air Force One. So you guys let me know how I did on this Grail pickup. I know it's a crazy exotic Air Force One, but I've been copping a lot of Air Force Ones lately, and I'm gonna show you guys one other one that I did cop from StockX recently. So I don't want you guys to think I'm like a hype beast or anything like that. I gotta show you I got Air Force One. Maybe I'm gonna do like a specific Air Force One collection video, because I think I got to be like top 2 on YouTube for Air Force One collections. All right, maybe not top 2, but definitely up there. You know what I'm saying? That was a little stretch, top 2. But check these out. The Feel Free Let's Talk Air Force Ones was the latest one. I really love that it came with that OG box right there, as you guys can see. But this is my latest Air Force One pickup, along with these bad boys right here. The crazy thing is, these was only like 120 bucks, but I had to, up the price and get these crazy exotic what the LA's right here. So yeah, you guys let me know how I did. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a huge like on this video because we need 500 likes every single banger we drop. It'll be greatly appreciated, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content. The Sneaker Grails playlist will be coming soon, so every single video that we have done for this series is going to be in a specific area, so anybody can tap in, check out everything I have been copping this year. Hopefully we get up to like 30 Grail episodes this year. That would be super dope. All my social media links will be down below in the description box, along with my clothing brand. Make sure you guys go tap in, support your boy. And again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.